Hi everybody, my name is Daniele Fidani and this is my new video. I don't know how to define this kind of video because it's the first time that I do it, and I think I could name it like a vlog because I want to talk to you about something that I like it's concerning science, and it's also quite important. So I want to talk to you about Trappist-1, the new star system that was discovered on the 23rd of February 2017, because it's a huge discovery and everybody is talking about it, but nobody actually knows what is it about. Let's start from the beginning. Trappist-1 is a star system that has at its center a dwarf cool star which is a little larger than Jupiter, so it's really small compared to our sun. This is really important because 7 Earth-sized planets are orbiting around it, and it's the first time that we've found so many planets Earth-like orbiting around a star, especially this kind of star. We never found anything like this. The fact that those planets are orbiting so close to this new star, to this new dwarf star, is so important because even if this star emits a temperature that is not comparable to one of the sun, because it's really lower than the one of the sun, their proximity to the star could allow them to have liquid water on the surface. And this is really incredible because we found only 2 or 3 planets that has actually water on the surface, and water, as we know right now, could be the only element that allows life in the universe. I want to explain a little better these planets because it's really important to understand. We found these 7 planets that have a radius from 0.77 to 1.09 times the radius of the Earth. So they are like Earth-sized planets. They're actually them. And it's really important because we found only 2 Earth-like planets in a system before, not 7, never more than 2. And it's also very important because they're orbiting around this dwarf star. But the most interesting part of this system is actually its star, because it's a dwarf star and it's also red, which means that it's among the smallest stars in the universe that you can find in the universe, and also among the coldest ones. In fact, we know that there are red stars, then orange stars, then yellow stars, and then blue stars in order of temperature. The blue ones are the hottest ones, and the red ones are the coldest one. This is like that because of the fusion reactions that happens inside these stars. In fact, we know that when 2 atoms, for example hydrogen, as we have in the sun, collide together at very high temperatures, they tend to fuse together and to produce energy. This energy is also commuted in light energy, in light waves. And we know that the blue light waves corresponds to a higher type of energy than the red ones. This is why we know that it's cooler. So I've just explained why Trappist-1 is so important and so interesting also. But we actually don't know if there is liquid water on those planets. NASA is starting a new project with a new telescope. They're trying to see if they can actually watch liquid water on those planets, but it's kind of difficult for them. And even if they find water, that doesn't mean that there is life there. I mean, there could be life from our perspective because we are organisms based on water and our ecosystem is based on water, but that doesn't mean that there can be life forms that are not based on water. They could be based on, I don't know, gold. We actually don't know anything about our universe, and that's why I want to discover it, and I want to study physics in the university. I hope that you have enjoyed this video summary about the discovery of Trappist-1, and I also hope that I was explaining clear, but since it's my first video of this type, I'm not really sure about it. well, if you want, just leave a comment and tell me what you think about it. Bye.